916 Carroll, receiving 10-10 shots fired at that location. 916 Carroll.
RP 535, make sure it's 84.
10-4.
1.
Behind us, let's go where they can't even find us. Let's take it back when we're breaking down dope in the trap, baby. You and my rider. Let's take it back to remind us. Before the fame and the cameras. Fuck it, let's boost up the standards. Now that them haters can't stand us, we act like we don't want to talk.
Welcome back, guys. Eddie2 up here. Today we're actually going out on the 5.0, bringing you guys a little bit of different content. No bikes, no dirt bikes or anything. Since we did get the 5.0, I'm trying to bring you guys a little bit of different content. Today we're coming out to a drift meet. It's gonna be crazy. If you guys want to check them out below, they go by the name of Street Chaos. They do one drift meet every Friday. It's super crazy. We have 10 locations, so when we get rated, you're gonna see us running to different locations. Second, third, you're gonna see people running, cops, drifts, burnouts. You're gonna see everything. Today is gonna be a crazy night. And if you guys enjoy this type of content aside from the bikes and stuff, let me know down below so I can bring you guys more of this content. And we'll see you guys out there. Guys, the parking lot hasn't even started filling up. Guys, we're just getting started, guys.
Whip it.
Look, this guy's gonna whip it for sure. Nah. This guy for sure is gonna whip it with the neon lights, guys. It's all about the neon lights, guys. The neon lights. Oh, that shit pops. It pops. Oh. He's trying to do it, guys, but he can't. Luxury cars don't drift. It's all about the front-wheel drive, man. Front-wheel drive. Guys, in a matter of seconds, we just got full, guys. In a matter of seconds. Guys, the truck is gonna go now. That differential kicked in. crazy. It's back-to-back drifting. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get rated quick, but we got 10 locations. Don't worry about it. Is he gonna do it or is he not? We'll find out in the next episode of Street Drifting. JK, guys, we'll see you now. I guess they're just talking. Again with the truck, guys, the lightning. Guys, there's literally someone on the roof, guys. On the damn roof. Oh, guess it looks like we have a judge, guys. The flame-throwing Camaro has train horns. It got lost, guys. Guys, I'm gonna be in the middle of the 2-350s doing the drift. Yo, you gonna whip it? Maybe. Yo, whip it! Guys, hopefully I don't get hit, guys. Hopefully I don't get hit. Yeah, they're gonna whip it. Déjame ver, déjame ver. Calling the cops, guys. Look at this. That's crazy out here, guys. They're calling the cops already. We're going to location number 2. That's it, guys. I guess location number 1 is dead. Guys, we just pulled up to location number 2. I think it looks like everybody's leaving. I don't know why. Oh, there's a cop here. There's a cop here already, guys. Guys, we just made it to location number 3. Look at this. It's a whole row of cars, guys. Filling up real quick. So location number 2, when we got there was cops already there waiting for us because we've used that location before, so they knew we were going there. So location number 2 was no good. We're in location number 3, and look at this, guys. We're filling up quick. Guys, the parking lots are filled up, and we still got more cars coming. Once everybody gets settled down and all the cars parked, the drifting's gonna start. Here we go, guys, number 2. 3 only lasted like 10 minutes, but we're on to location number 4. Hopefully it's not too far, and hopefully we can stay longer, because we really don't like all this driving back and forth. These are brand new tires, so it's not gonna be a big one. 1 hour. Guys, so location number 4, as soon as we came, there was a security guard, so everybody started leaving. They came to we came to a location down the street, but they posted location number 5 that's really far away, so everybody's just lost. Some people are stopping here, some are leaving, they don't know what to do. Number 5, and it's actually popping, so we're gonna stay here for a little bit, guys. Look at this. Should I do a donut?
The destination is on your right. 70.
We just got here, guys, and it's crazy. Look at this. He's gonna do it, guys. Let's see what the minivans are gonna do, guys. Oh, they're gonna race, guys. They're gonna race. It's crazy, guys. I can't believe they're actually racing minivans. Oh, cops? Cops? Why is everybody running? Everybody's just running. We haven't seen cops. Everybody's just running. Oh, there they are, guys. There they are. Well, guys, This is our last spot of the day, guys. Oh, he's turning around to go get people.
Don't go that way, nigga. You're on probation.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It was crazy. There's nothing like this. I'm gonna be putting these videos at least once a month or twice a month. I don't know, depending how often they do this meet, which is not often at all. If you guys like the video, like, comment, and subscribe down below. Just by subscribing, guys, you guys keep the videos coming. You know how it is. We're always putting our lives in danger, riding bikes, coming to car meets, doing illegal stuff for you guys, you know, for the viewers, so you guys could get content, be happy with what you see. So just, you know, leave a comment down below. Thank you guys, and as Eddie 2 up here, I hope you enjoy the content. Bye bye.